Hello, I am back from my travels in Europe. I have eaten more bread than I care to share, and I have not even started packing, or I haven't even started unpacking yet. But the reason I'm making this video is I want to open this. Now I know exactly what it is, I haven't opened it yet. It is a poster from TLDR News. It's a great news channel, you should totally watch it. I'll probably link it somewhere down there. Anyways, let's open this thing. There we go. Just add to the garbage pile down there. Okay. Oh, this thing's a beauty right here. Look at that. Look at that. Oh wait, is it upside down? Yeah, it's upside down. Ow. Look at this thing. This is a poster of all the world alliances in, I'm quoting from TLDR News, slightly confusing form. It's beautiful. I'm totally gonna have to hang this somewhere. I love this. I have been waiting about a month for this, so I'm excited to have it with me now. And I probably won't be going over it. I might post a picture of it in the community or something, but yeah. Anyways, thank you for watching this video. I will be putting out the More France videos slowly. Maybe I might just make a compository video of all of them together. It'd have to be a long one. Oh my god. But anyways, thank you and goodbye.